Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily delete your cookies in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is go here on the right upper corner, these dots here, and click on the settings. When you are in the settings, now what you want to do is to click advanced, and then you will have a privacy and security. Click on it, and now what you want to do is to clear browsing data. It's right here. Click on it and you'll have it right here. I think everything will be like this, but if you just want to delete cookies, just click here on the cookies that you got here and clear data. And now the cookies are cleared. So this is how you can do. I recommend also deleting your history and cached images for the last 24 hours, or you can 7 days, 4 weeks, all time. It's really up to you, and you get also advanced here if you like to play around it, but this is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support me and subscribe. I'm really thankful for that. Thank you and goodbye.